down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hey there, ukulele friends. Welcome to the third song in the Learn Your First 10 Songs series. I'm sure you took up the ukulele because you wanted to sing murder ballads, right? Actually, that's a joke. I'm pretty sure you didn't. But this traditional ballad gives us an opportunity to change up what we're doing with our strumming hand. I truly believe that what we do with our strumming hand is actually equally as important as the chords. In fact, maybe even more important. So we're going to switch it up with our strumming hand. And because this song has such a regular pattern of chord changes to it, it makes it a perfect teaching song. And, this song was a #1 hit in 1958. So, I'm not like totally out there picking a song, right? We're still going to use our C and G7 chord. But I'm going to change up the strumming so that we're actually using our thumb as well as our index finger. Our thumb gives us a different tone color, kind of like that train that's passing by. The pattern that we're going to use is all downstrums except the first downstrum of every group of 4 is going to be with your thumb. About using your thumb is you can put a little bit more weight behind each of the strings, and if you go a little bit slower you can hear each string ring out as opposed to doing it with your index finger like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you've warmed up. I hope you've got the chord charts. I've got links for that down below and the warm-ups to do to get ready for this. And so let's dive into this new strum. 1, 2, ready, begin. Thumb, 2, 3, 4. 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 Yeah, it takes a little bit of coordination, just switching your hand from this to this. But if you practice it enough, it will become like second nature. Here's the box diagram. And the chorus and the verses are exactly the same. So let's do this 4 times together. 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we go. Da 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 One more time. Da 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 You might want to do that box diagram several times before going on to the play along. Make this about your journey and do this on your schedule, not anybody else's. Hey, just before we get to the play along, I just put on my strap. I play with the strap almost all the time, and my pants are kind of slick today and things are sliding around. So lots of my students play with straps. You don't have to, but I play with straps. I find it just makes everything so much better. Yeah, so for me, straps work. They might work for you. I'll have a link to the strap that I use down below. And this instrument came already drilled with strap buttons. I really like this instrument. If you'd like it too, I've also got an Amazon affiliate link down there as well. See those lyrics down below where I have the brackets? Those are the chord symbols, and each of those chord symbols indicates when you're going to use the pattern. Thumb, 2, 3, 4. So a thumb goes on each one of those chords and brackets. 1, 2, are you ready to play? 1, 2, here we go. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Boy, boy, you're gonna die. I met her on the mountain. There I took her line. Met her on the mountain, stabbed her with my knife. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Boy, boy, you're gonna die. This time tomorrow, reckon where I'll be. Hadn't have been for Grayson, I'd have been in Tennessee. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Boy, boy, you're gonna die. This time tomorrow, reckon where I'll be. Down in some lonesome valley, hanging from a white oak tree. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're about to die. Poor boy, you're bound to die. Poor boy, you're gonna die. Poor boy, you're gonna die. All right. Please let me know how things are doing down in the comments. I read all of my comments, so I do want to hear from you and how your ukulele journey is going. How's my videotaping journey going? I realize that my bra strap's showing. Yeah. Oh, and also, have you probably figured out that I'm really horrible with getting the correct lyrics in. Yeah. Yeah. Something I'm not 100% at, but I'm still working at it. But, forgive my mistakes. I'll forgive yours. All right. So, yes, we're all works in progress, working towards it. Get this up to where you feel like it's a solid B level, and then the next song, we're going to use the same strumming pattern. And it's a happier song too. So see you in the next lesson. I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go, and keep spreading the ukulele love.